Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for joining the webinar with Yes Education today for Le Cordon Bleu, New Zealand with Kun Supapit or Bimmy, our representative. I'm happy to have you to be our rep and to give the useful information for the institution. Today we will focus on the hospitality and the post-study work visa, post-study. Kun Bim, I will hand over to you ค่ะ
โอเคได้ยินใช่ไหมคะ
ค่ะ
Thank you so much ค่ะคุณคิตตี้ so very good afternoon so for everyone very happy to see all of you here today so actually like for the Myanmar student and Myanmar agent I think like you keep thinking to yourself right where with the study destination it should be because of now cannot go for the London Australia is getting very hot like but Le Cordon Bleu School we offer in a lot of the country and we have the successful for the student to enrollment with our school in New Zealand already. We have the number of students from Myanmar is completely like the student visa is approved already, which is a very good one. Okay, very good news for all of you as well. So today I like to share like for how to come to study with us or total together with how the student can get like post-study work visa and how the student can be like permanent resident after this. This is kind of the pathway in order to get to be the resident in New Zealand as well. All right. So for the New Zealand, let me talking about like Le Cordon Bleu New Zealand. At New Zealand School, we do offer the program which is two types of the program. The first one is the culinary arts, and the second one is higher education. In the higher education, we do offer the bachelor degree and the master degree. Okay, let me start for the culinary art. All right, if any student from the Myanmar student, they like to do like they want to be a chef, they want to be like very professional in the culinary art industry. They want to be like the content creator in order for the food content creator or in this industry. So this is the school to be. Let me sharing with you how the student can be like that. In the morning, when the student apply to study with us in the culinary art, every morning the student will sit and see like that. What this is what we call like demonstration room. They sit and see what chef doing here. All right. So all the techniques, everything, the student can get the note. We give the sheet, how to do, how to make it. Student make the note about like 2.5 hours. After 2.5 hours, they sit on their own table and then do whatever they see in the morning. All right. So our program for start with the cuisine. What the cuisine is, cuisine is about like the main course cooking. Okay, our school is a French school, so all the French menu here. We teaching for the French technique by using the French recipe to teach, right? All total together here is about 9 months. Within 9 months, we start from the basic level, 3 months, intermediate level, 3 months, and the superior level, another 3 months as well. All right, what the student going to do? Yeah, so this is all the picture that you see here is about from our student. All right, this is just for the example. If, as I mentioned, like if the student really want to be like food content creator, so this is like like very easy to be because of this is very creative industry. All right, so our school is teaching like how to make it right. Okay. So this is just for example for the whole 9 months student. So this is from our student as well. All right. Apart from the cuisine, we do offer the patisserie. Patisserie is a kind of like the bakery or the baking about the French patisserie. Same thing, duration for the 9 months. Within 9 months, three level, basic 3 months, intermediate 3 months, and the superior 3 months as well. All right. So start from the easy cake here, right? And intermediate level, they're doing more creative, and then you like they learn about like how to get like something surrounding them to make creative in the food as well. You see, like they mix and match for the color. They're learning how to do like the high tea and the very, very special where the other culinary art school cannot offer. We do for the chocolate work. So, you know, like this is like 9-month student. They can make it already. Chocolate work, sugar work, you see? 9 months can make it. So this is Australia student, chocolate work and the bread work. And this is Thailand student. From the campus in Thailand. Like once they make it, they send to our chef. You see like the student ID at the front and chef will come and get them up. All right. This is also Thai student as well. This is Australian student. Thai student. And this is a sugar work from New Zealand student. You see like they all use the pink, but when we make it different shade, the filling come in different structure and different filling as well. All right. So this is like from New Zealand as well. So you see like every single campus is teaching technique exactly the same, no matter where you want to go. Okay. The student can start in Thailand for the basic level 3 months, and then they can go for the intermediate level in New Zealand. Can be like that as well. Or the superior level in New Zealand also can make it that well. So we are very, very flexible among of our campus. So the student can jumping around. All right. Also, this is our chef make it, our master chef make it. After finish for the culinary art, this is a congratulation ceremony. Every single student, they get the medal, right? Who get the highest score, they can get like the gold and the certificate for everyone. All right, so this is the example. So if you like to talk to your students about like our school, so you can use my slide here to show them what exactly what they're going to learn. The student can get the picture in their mind, you know, like what they paid and what they're going to study. All right. So this is the culinary art where teaching in every single campus around the Le Cordon Bleu, like anywhere, they're teaching exactly the same for the 9 months level. Okay, so this one you can do in New Zealand, you can do in Thailand, you can do in Paris, you can do in London, up to the student select, right? So let's back to the New Zealand. After the student done 9 months, diplôme de pâtisserie is all the bakery, and diplôme de cuisine like 9 months for the cuisine, right? In New Zealand we do offer for the advanced diploma. If like we call like the French certificate diploma, we call like diplôme avant de culinaire in the cuisine and the patisserie. So all total is 9 months study, 6 months here. So term 1 is 3 months, term 2 is 3 months, and term 3 is internship another 3 months. So all total 9 months here, study 6 months and internship 3 months. In New Zealand, internship is no pay, but during study, so they can find a part-time job where we do offer for the 25 hours per week, which is a very, very good one. All right. After the student finish the diploma here, so they can apply for the post-study work visa to stay on in continue in New Zealand for another 6 months. Okay, so let's say like they want to do the New Zealand from the beginning until the end. They start for the 9 months in New Zealand. They follow with another 9 months in the advanced diploma here in New Zealand. They can get another 6 months for the post-study work visa. Okay, but if they're doing somewhere else, if like let's say like if they do like 9 months in Thailand, all right, 9 months in Thailand here, they can continue to another 9 months in New Zealand as well. All right. So 9 months in New Zealand, what? 6 months for the on campus, right? 70% is practical already. 30% is a theory. So 6 months only. And another last 3 months is about the internship before apply for the post-study work visa. Okay, to stay on over there another 6 months. All right. Okay. So for the New Zealand, in order to get into this program, we need to have like IELTS 5.5. All right, to get in. That's all we need. All right, the academic is not no need to it's not requirement for the like high score of the academic or whatever for our school, no need at all. So just like for the New Zealand we accept students from year 9, but they have to be like 18 years old and above before they come to study with us. All right, so if the student want to make the save the money, they can come to Thailand campus for the 9 months. Okay, for the 9 months, and then they can jump to the advanced diploma or diploma along the career in New Zealand for another 9 months, and then they can get like post-study work visa for another 6 months. Okay, all right. Okay, so this is our culinary arts program. All right, let's say like if you have the student have like no academic background, no high school or like at all or whatever, but if they want to get the bachelor degree, make it this way. They done basic 3 months, intermediate 3 months, and superior 3 months wherever, and then they can go to the advanced diploma here, then they can go directly to our bachelor degree. Okay, all right. So this is the New Zealand. All right. So let me talking about like, so this is the culinary arts. Okay. Before I'm moving for the bachelor degree, any questions? Any questions so far? พี่ไม่เห็นคำถามไม่เห็นอะไรเลยนะคิตตี้บอกพี่ด้วย
No question at the moment,
Okay.
but we are still waiting for your questions. If you have, please feel free to drop your question in Q&A box. By the way,
Okay.
I have some question because
Yes.
you said we can jump like 9 months in Thailand or even 3 months in Thailand plus 6 months in New Zealand, correct?
Yes.
So about the visa process, so the student do the Thai visa first and then
Visa, like if you want to secure student to Thailand, you don't need to do anything. Okay, you don't need to do anything. You submit the application to Yes Education, all right, and then pay the application fee. We give the offer letter for the student. The student pay up for the application for the tuition fee. Fly into Bangkok, but please make sure before fly into Bangkok, have to make sure with the student like within a year the student come to Bangkok is not over 2 times. Okay, if not over 2 times, they can just come to Bangkok, and our student, our people on campus in Thailand will process the student visa for your student, so you don't need to do anything, but I have to check with the student first.
I see.
Easy,
So
life is
so
easy.
and then after they almost complete the 3 months and they want to jump the 6 month to New Zealand, then they can do the New Zealand visa later.
Yes.
I see.
But in New Zealand, visa agent need to processing the student visa for the student. Because in Thailand and Myanmar, the border is open for via free visa, right? But students from Myanmar can come here for, I think, 14 days, if I'm not wrong. All right. But have to make sure like how many times in a year the student came to Thailand. If not over 2 years, that's fine. Not over 2 times, that's fine. All right, and have to keep checking with the immigration Thailand as well, whether like they change the policy or the policy is moving or whatever before the student come in. Okay, but we help you to check anyway. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I continue to the bachelor degree.
Sure, you can.
All right, we have only one bachelor degree in New Zealand, which is very, very easy to get in. All right, we only need to have like IELTS 6.0 from the student from the Myanmar to get in. That's all we need. But the student if the student want to go directly to the bachelor degree, they really need to have the completion of senior high school from Myanmar. Will be get in very easy. Don't need to come from like international school. If they come to the international school like IGCSE, A-level or whatever, they'll check with the score. So if the student come from like just like local school, like senior high school from Myanmar, not international program, it will be better. All right. And the IELTS 6.0, that's all we need. What we're going to learn? Okay. So this program is 3 years program, no foundation needed. You might experience like if you want to send the student to Australia or New Zealand last time or London, you might ask the student to go for the pre-sessional, or you might ask the student to go for the foundation. But for our school, we don't need it. So the student can go directly to the bachelor degree first year. All right. No need to have the foundation. Okay. So our bachelor degree, we call it Bachelor of the Culinary Arts and Business, which is 3 years duration program, 2.5 years study on campus, and 6 months for the internship. All right. With our program, we have 2 electives, food entrepreneurship and hospitality management. So you can see like this is the compulsory subject. So you see like year 1 here, elective 1. So you select which one, either this one or that one. Come to second year, 2 elective, you select this one or that one. Okay, and the third year is all year study, and the other term is for the internship. All right, so we do offer the scholarship for this program as well. Okay, for the scholarship for this program is like first year the student pay for the full year food fee. All right, if the first year they can get like 70%, 80% of the first year, they can get like 4,000 cut off from the second year fee. Second year, they're doing well again, we can get another 4,000 cut off for the third year. All right. So this is like the scholarship that we do offer. Okay. So any questions so far for the bachelor degree before I'm moving for the last part, which is our master degree? Okay, bachelor degree 1, the student completes a bachelor degree. Okay, the student can apply for the post-study work visa to stay in New Zealand for another 3 years. This is 3 years. Okay, this is 3 years. So if the student afraid like they cannot find the part-time job or whatever, find the job during the post-study work visa, you look at here. This is our partner. When we send our student to work with our hotel partner in New Zealand, all right? So which is mean like we prepare our student for the industry. Okay, they work with our industry partner. They don't get paid. No worry. After you get like post-study work visa, you can apply for the job, because we link with your student together, your student and our industry partner here. All right, like you know me, I know you. Like if I got the visa, like can I apply for a job? Now I got the visa already, so the people almost to say yes. All right, if the student want to work any other hotel or whatever, it's up to them, because under post-study work visa, you know, like it's very freedom for the student to work or not work, up to them, and then pay very well. All right. And now I can say like 100% of the visa approved rate from Myanmar student to New Zealand. Okay. But we don't have the English partner. Which means like if the student want to come to study with us, they need to have the IELTS 6.0 for go to the bachelor degree only. All right. For the culinary arts, they have to have like IELTS 5.5. Okay. But don't worry, if you not understand, if you have the question, I'm very happy to answer you like 24/7. All right. If you want to contact me, my my QR code is down there, so you can take me and ask me the question at any time. All right. So let me move to master degree. Oh, any question for the bachelor degree?
Not yet. A question about the 4,000 scholarship. I want to know what is the minimum requirement, like how many percentage of the academic result to get this scholarship?
About 70%, 80% from the end of the first year of the school.
So it means the first year they will not get this
No,
scholarship,
no.
but
First
start
year, they
from the
need to
second
pay
year.
for the full fee.
I see, I
Because
see.
of if we give them for the first year, the second year they're gone already.
I see, I see. Thank you, thank you.
All right. So let me go to the master degree.
Oh, I have one question.
Yes.
Um, if the student attend for the 9-month diploma in Thailand and then join to another advanced diploma in New Zealand,
Mm,
can they get the 6-month post-study?
yes. Yes. That's
But
a
only
very
6 months.
clever. You
Ah,
know why? If you compare the fee for the international student to study in Thailand and also the fee in New Zealand, Thailand is cheaper, totally
mm,
cheaper. No IELTS requirement, no IELTS requirement at all. So let's say like if the student end up they want to go to New Zealand, they come to Thailand. While they're doing the culinary arts in Thailand, they can learn the English. If the English is not meet entry requirement yet, they learn English in Thailand. I don't know, like you can find like where they can like training for the English, and then they can sit for the IELTS in Thailand while they're doing the culinary arts in Thailand. How is that? Right?
yeah.
Hmm. It's
Okay,
very
you
good,
you
right?
can pass. You can pass to the master degree.
All right. For the
Okay.
master degree, any student who complete any bachelor degree in business, no GPA requirement, just completion bachelor degree. That's enough for us. Okay. Very, very easy. But the IELTS is 6.5, no band below 6.0 to get in. Okay. So this is like the subject of the student going to study. Course duration is 1.5 year. Study only 1 year. Okay, study on campus only 1 year. 6 month internship. All right. Internship is no pay, but after students finish like 1.5 year in master degree here, they can apply for the post-study work visa to stay on in New Zealand for another 3 years. Okay, for another 3 years. So
Mm.
that's why like 3 years is enough for the student to looking how they're going to get the PR in permanent resident in New Zealand. You see, 3 years is good enough time for the student to get like to getting like to searching how to apply for the post for the PR on the resident on the New Zealand already, right? Okay.
Okay.
All right. So our campus is located in Wellington, where is a capital city. Okay. So the total tuition fee is 55,000 NZD, pay one time. Okay. So I can say like the trick of the processing student visa in New Zealand, you pay all the full fee for the first year. Is the chance of the visa approved is 90% already. The less of thing we need to do, we need to see the immigration needs to see like the money in the bank account from the last 6 months and showing the source of income where the money come from. Yeah, so it's quite easy. Okay, so yeah, that's all about like our New Zealand program. So if any of you would like to have like my slide, please feel free to ask. I can give it to you, or you can ask Kun Kitty here as well. Feel
Okay,
free
I
to
have
add
a question.
if you need any question for me or if you need to slide. Okay, any questions so far?
Yes, because to study master degree for 1 year can
Mm.
get the PGWP like 3 years, right?
Yes. Or
And
study in 1 year, 6 months. 6 months for the internship, like the course duration for the master degree is 1.5. After that, get like post study work visa for another 3 years.
Another 3 year means
Yes.
in case if the student study bachelor in New Zealand and progress to master degree
Mm,
will be like a 6 year.
no.
No.
Can be like that. Doing the bachelor degree, go out and get the post-study work visa first. Come back for the master
Ah.
degree again. Go and get another 3 year for study work
Mm.
visa, but I'm not really sure whether at the end like where they're going to open this visa for, but this is open quite long time already, but this is a very good one because of relocation in Wellington where we do can offer like the post study work visa. After you finish, you can our school you can go to work, like in anywhere in New Zealand.
Mm. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Another question. How much the student need to show the bank statement for each course?
20,000 20,000 it's equivalent and 20,000 NZD. NZD, no need to be US, no need to be USD.
NZD, I see.
NZD.
Okay. Okay. Any questions?
Very quiet. So any questions so far? By
No
the way, so if
question.
you have any question, anything like you can feel free to add me for the WhatsApp here. Or the Viber actually that is quite easy. So my same number with the Viber as well. So I can give you the information. So you can, take me at any time if you have any question or if you like to have the slide. I can also can send to you as well through the social media here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's about.
I think it seems like everything perfectly clear for now.
All right.
So if you guys have the question later, maybe you can contact Yes Education or contact Kun Supapit with
Yep.
this WhatsApp
Mm.
QR code. So
Or maybe we can create the group with just education and all the Myanmar agent there. So I can put everything there. So if anyone have any question, so we can. So yeah, please feel free if you like to make the group.
yes,
Oh,
yes,
since you are here, let me sharing this with you. Hang on.
that's great.
Actually, like we have the fam trip. Okay, we have the fam trip for the if you recruit the student to come to Thailand for Thailand only, even the 3 month, we can offer the fam trip to you.
Mm.
To like air ticket, Bangkok, Myanmar back to Bangkok, and the first day for their welcome dinner for along with the Chao Phraya River, and the second day will be uh, workshop at our school, and the next day back to Myanmar.
Wow. This
Yeah,
is like a minimum 3 months program, right?
yeah. Normally we have 9 months, right? We have 9 months, but within 9 months, you recruit only like 3 months. You can qualify for the trip already.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah, but this is for Thailand campus
for
only.
the Thailand campus only.
Mm.
Let me sharing this. Here. Okay. Here you go. Okay. So this is
Okay.
this is the trip. All right.
What is the timeline for the program to get this trip?
Next intake, just because as student, you can 3 months, you can qualify for a trip already. So next intake will be October, September, October for
Mm.
Thailand campus only for this.
So for 2026.
Yeah, so this is 26. But from 2027, still consider. So
Ah,
if this one happening again, I'll share this one to the group again. Okay, so but now we do offer this. And our last intake is October, so still have the chance. Okay.
okay.
All right. Kitty, I'll send this one to you and then you can share to the group of Myanmar.
Sure. I
Yeah.
will share to the
All
group.
right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. So I think it's okay for today because no more question. So I think we can end the webinar. Then thank you so much, Phi
Thank you
Bim.
so much. Thank you. Have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you everyone for
Okay,
joining us. Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.